Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing the recipe to my favorite stew. A few of the ingredients I have here are onions, green and yellow pepper, some cilantro, zucchini, and carrots. Now I'm just adding all of my ingredients. Once you've added all your ingredients, you're going to want to add 2 cups of water and let it sit at medium heat for around 8 minutes. Here I'm adding 1 kilo of beef to a separate pot. You're going to want to adjust the amount you're making to how many people you're making it for. You're then going to want to let it sit at medium heat and add 1 cup of water. Now you're going to want to check on your veggies for every 8 minutes. You could blend it, but blending doesn't give it the right look, nor does it give it the right taste. Once your mixture looks like this, you're going to want to add half a cup of oil. I use grapeseed. You're also going to want to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You could season the stew the way you prefer. This is my favorite seasoning. I add 1 tablespoon of that, and I also add 2 tablespoons of my personal mix. You're then going to want to check up on your beef after around 20 minutes. Then going to want to add around 3 small potatoes. You're then going to want to transfer it into the pot of veggies and then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then you're going to want to mix for around 3 to 5 minutes. After I'm done mixing, I add a handful of cilantro. Here, I'm making a mixture of coconut powder, now I'm just adding it into my stew. It gives it the creamy taste and consistency. I then add around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And there you have it, the recipe to my favorite stew. Make sure to like this video, comment down below any other recipes you'd like me to make, and subscribe. Click the bell button for notifications for my videos.